Hello everyone, I have a fun project to share today. So I wanted to make some handmade gifts for my family, and I'm going to make some key rings with this Shrinky Dinks product. I was first showing you the chess piece that I borrowed to use to draw this image, and then I'm showing my sketching process here. Now my perspective's a little bit off because I'm doing kind of a 3D look, which is a challenge, but if I had spent more time and done some more guidelines, perspective guidelines, I probably could have done a better job, but I felt like I was under a time crunch because it's already pretty late in December. Anyway, this is going to shrink down to a third of its size, so I figured, I think I can get away with it. So, and then we're going to outline it in black. Well, I mean, it really doesn't matter, but I want to be able to see it through the Shrinky Dink to transfer my image. And that is my sketch there. Now, here's the product I'm using. It's called Shrinky Dinks. I believe I got this off Amazon. I have the bright white. I've had it for a while, and I made something a few years ago and really liked it. So the first transfer method I used was actually transfer paper. I don't think I recommend that too much, but this is the first one, and I'm going to outline it in this alcohol ink, silver, and some of my lines disappear when I color it in, so I'm making a black one right now, the Black Knight, and you can see that some of my lines disappear, but I didn't want to lose my entire sketch, and that's why I outlined it first, because, yeah, definitely need that drawing to get my horse right. And so then I just fixed the lines that I kind of lost at the end here, and with going in with the silver alcohol marker again. So my preferred method of transferring the image was actually with this. I have a light box here, and I'm just sketching or drawing the same thing again. But I found also later on that I didn't even need the light box for some of the drawings. It was a little easier with the light box, but you can see through this plastic pretty well. So yeah, that was surprising to me. And so I'm cutting out my image. Now, with the cutting, I found it easier to cut pieces off than to try to turn it because it is plastic and it could rip. So be careful doing that. And then I'm just cleaning up the edges where I trimmed off a little too much of my silver. Now I'm coming in with this, I think it's a standard hole punch. This is a 3/16 of an inch size, and I don't know what I'm doing here on his neck. I was trying to figure out where to punch it, but definitely I decided to go up on the top because this is going to be a key ring, so punch the hole there. And for the white one, I think I used a larger hole. I can look what size it is. I don't remember offhand. All right, here we are, fresh out of the oven. This is the black horse, and I wonder if you can even see the hole there. Can you see that hole? That is a regular hole punch. This one, the bigger one, not the smaller one. There we go. So it's pretty small, but I am going to turn this into a key ring, and the back side is blank. I think I might color it black, but I might just leave it. Not sure. So I have a jump ring here, a thick metal one. I have a key ring. I'm going to slip this on there and try to close this with my pair of pliers here. Makes a great gift. And voila, we have a Black Knight key ring. I'm going to turn, this is my white one. Harry, let me get closer. I've just done the lines in black and then left everything else white. This hole, you can see, is larger. I did it with this 0.375 inch punch. And here's the size of the hole. That's the scrap. I wasn't sure. I thought, oh, this might be too big. So let's see. I don't know which one I like better, but since I'm turning this into a key ring also, I'm just going to do that right now. It's a lot easier to get it on, but I didn't have trouble getting the jump ring through the smaller hole, so. And then try to get that together there. Anyway, it doesn't have to be perfect for the camera, right? And there we go! 2 beautiful gifts. Key rings. I'm going to give these both to my son who loves chess. And I tried to surreptitiously get him to tell me which was his favorite piece, pretending to like make conversation. So yeah, that's why I was kind of hoping he'd stay the night anyway, because I thought it'd be fun to draw, but boy, was it a challenge. But I stole one of his chess pieces and while he's at school, and then drew that, and I am so excited about this project. I think I am going to try to make some earrings next, so stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see that. I'm thinking maybe a pair of bunny earrings, and maybe, man, if I could do it, frogs or something. I don't know. We'll see. But that is my project for today, and I really hope you enjoyed seeing it and gives you some ideas of things to try. I think the Shrinky Dink plastic is a great gift idea, even for especially those young artists in your lives. Your lives. They'll like it, I think, and especially if they have someone to help them to do it. It's great. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye!